Hello guys, I wanted to look at this indicator that I want to actually test right about now. It is an indicator that is basically working best when it comes to scalping, when it comes to day trading. So guys, are you ready to see how it is working? I want you to stick here till the end because you're going to see this on live market. So guys, let's do this. And so guys, we're just going to click on indicators tab. You're going to type what we call accumulation distribution. Click on it guys. It is going to appear like this right on your chart. There is basically how you can understand the indicator. There is how a lot of traders use this indicator, but as for me, this indicator, I use it to really read what the market is basically showing us. When you combine the price action knowledge that you have and combine it as well with the indicator, you're going to basically be able to make money anytime that you want to execute your trade right here. So guys, as you can see right here, we could not understand what was happening, but this indicator was showing us there was a creation of a lower high, you understand? Then later on we got to this level right here, there was a creation of a high which broke this structure right here, and it is indeed a beautiful downtrend. So guys, I just want us to test it right on live market so that we can see how it is working and how the market is basically moving. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm actually asking myself, are we going to buy or are we going to sell according to what this indicator shows us? So guys, what you're basically supposed to know anytime that you want to use this indicator, make sure that you highlight your point of interest levels. That can be your supply and demand levels, that can be your order block level, can be your support and resistance. And so guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to highlight this level right here, and I'm going to use it as a zone where I'm going to watch the market from, simply because you can see guys, price is really reacting to this right here. And looking at past data, you can see it is actually a very minor resistance level right here. Okay, and so guys, once you see the level, you're supposed now to pay attention on the indicator. What is the indicator showing you? What I basically say and what I understand about this indicator, it can show you the right time to execute your trades, or rather help you make decision whether to buy or sell. And simply because we are on live market guys, we're going to see what is basically happening. And so guys, you can see price really rose, but it failed to reach that level. Instead, it touched the lower level right here that we didn't draw. But basically guys, let me draw it right there. That is another level that you're supposed to watch the market from. So price basically reacts to that level. So looking at our indicator right here, we can see there was a creation of what we call a high right here, you understand? So keep that in mind. And basically as well, it shows that there is a break of structure that has really taken place right here. So you're supposed to ask yourself, are you going to buy or sell? So guys, if you want to scalp, or rather if you want to day trade, you're going as well to draw levels that you're going to watch the market from. And basically we're going to target this level right here as our take profit. And basically if price breaks below, there will be another level as well that price will have to react to. That is that one right there. And if not that one guys, we're going to pay attention on this one right here. So if it happens to break below, we are going to keep on holding our position. It is important, and you better keep that in mind. And basically guys, let's see how the market is going to behave. And so guys, you can see for sure price is really reacting to this level. Okay, so we're gonna see what is going to happen with our accumulation distribution indicator that we have right now. So in this level right here, the indicator shows that's a lower high, and already a lower low has been broken below. But basically guys, let's see whether sellers are in control according to the indicator. And so guys, as you can see right here, price really touched our level right here. So you're supposed to exit. Okay, Then we got a V formation right here, a break of structure right here, and the price really rose to the top line that we really drew. So that's what you're supposed to pay attention to, paying attention on where price is actually reacting to. So if you sold, you could have exited right here, and then when you see a V formation right here, you execute your buy order. So now, since that we are on this level right here, which is our very crucial level, we're going to see what is going to happen again. Price really broke above it, so it shows that buyers are really in control. And basically, looking at this level right here, you can see price is now at our key level. If it breaks that one as well, we're going to pay attention on that one. If it breaks above that one as well, we're going to pay attention on that one. So that is important. And so guys, let's see what is going to happen. And yeah, price is reacting to our top line right here. So we are supposed to ask ourselves, what is happening right here? There is creation of a lower low and a lower high. So you're supposed to ask yourself, are sellers going to sell? Let's see. Manipulation took place. And basically there is a double top formation right here, as you can see, guys. So guys, let's see whether this double top will really lead us to a selling activity right here with the price action indicator. But basically we are heading to a consolidation. There is a consolidation if you look at it closely. And basically, guys, you can see the market went in a consolidation, okay? And so, guys, anytime that you want to execute your trades, when you're paying attention on this indicator, when you see it moving horizontally, that's a consolidation, you understand? But basically, right from this level right here, you could have exited right here. So guys, that's what I can really say about this indicator. I've tried to test it in a manner that we can actually see what is happening. But basically, guys, you can see also on live market, price is as well moving in a consolidation phase. If you connect this high right here and you connect this low over here, this is an arranging market that is super close to each other. So a range like this is very hard for you to really execute your trades. So you can basically pay close attention on what is going to happen next. A breakout from this level and this level right here. That's when you're going to have clearer direction of where the market is basically heading to. Okay, so guys, let me hope this video added some value to you. Let me hope it is understandable. Let me hope, guys, it is going to help you really understand the forex market as far as forex crypto stocks are concerned. So guys, I want to leave at this point. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and so guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.